Greetings from What the F Am I Doing Now? Well, back to the pole that supports the bimini on the top deck of the boat. I thought I'd reinforce it a little bit more with this particular empty can. The particular brand is something I'm not going to mention until the marketing director of that particular company gets in touch with me and helps me out a little bit. Anyway, here it is. I've got to hammer it down as yet. There's quite a few of those cans lying around, to be honest. There's an old adage, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, in my case, 12 of that particular drink keeps the doctor away. Probably because my breath smells. Anyway, so there you have it. I also put a few ball bearings inside just to keep me entertained while I'm on watch, watching other crew members trying to work out where the baby rattle noise is coming from when we're at sea. So look forward to that. That's bye-bye from me, from What the F Am I Doing Now?